Hello. So today we're finally getting to the Roachclip, and I'm choosing to do a Roachclip bracelet because I looked on YouTube and a lot of people are already doing Roachclips, so there are plenty of videos out there for you to look at if you want to do just a regular Roachclip, a regular beaded Roachclip. But I didn't see any for the Roachclip bracelets, so we are going to turn this piece of braided rope into a Roachclip bracelet. So here we go. So you're going to start off with a piece of braided rope. You can find it online, lots of places. Nothing fancy. You can actually braid your own rope if you know how to do that. I don't do it, so I bought the rope. To be honest, I don't remember where I bought it. Sorry for my dirty nails. I've been digging in the dirt for seashells. Anyway, after you braid your rope, or if you buy it braided, just cut off a piece. This is 7 inches long, and I left out 2 strands, tucked it back in to make a loop, and put my favorite E6000 underneath, tied a knot. The reason for this loop is you're going to put your Roachclip or your crimp cord clasp on the end. Now, I did get these on eBay, and I'll put the link for that. Also for the Roachclip, the alligator clips. Anyhow, you leave it like that. Tucked it under with the glue. Put a little knot. On this end, I left it straight. Put you a little jewel on there and tie a knot. So all you have to do, you're going to take your jump ring. The reason you leave this double is so that it has enough for the jump ring, the crimp ring to grab onto. So you just slide it on like that, squeeze it with your pliers a couple of times to make sure it's good. That end's done. Then you're going to put your alligator clip on this end, like so. You do it the same way as the other. You just squeeze it with the pliers. So now you have this on. You're going to take a big jump ring. Y'all know I don't like to bore you with all the details, watching me do every little step. But you put the big jump ring on through the hole. Get the picture. You put it on through the hole. Close it. So you end up with one like this. Then you take jump rings and you slip them under a loop anywhere. I put 6 on this one. Put a jump ring and then put a charm, whatever kind of charm. I put 5 on here, just random charms. But you could really load it up. I think it would be really cute with a ton of charms on it. And then, here you go. So, there's your Roachclip bracelet. Another easy peasy craft. Have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave comments. If you have questions, you need help, leave a comment. I don't mind helping with any of my craft videos. My email is in the description. You can also follow me on Instagram. Maybe there's something there that you're interested in. You want me to show how to do it, just let me know. Have a good day. Bye-bye.